Your iPhone flashlight flashing when you get an alert is super useful and easily done, so let's do this. So what you need to do is go and open up your settings just like this. In your settings, what you need to do is locate the accessibility settings. So you may need to scroll down a bit, and here they are. If you're struggling to find them, you can always search for accessibility at the top of your settings. Then in your accessibility settings, scroll down like this until you go and see audio/visual. And then at the bottom here, you need to scroll down, you'll go and see this option here, which says LED flash for alerts. As you can see, mine is currently off. Let's go and click on it. And then all you need to do is toggle it on just like so. And then what you can do is choose if you want it to flash while unlocked, which I do. And then you can also choose if you want it to flash while it's in silent mode. And what silent mode is sort of vibrate. And you can go and choose that setting on the side. So if you have it up, this means that it's on loud. And if you have it pushed down, that means it's on sort of vibrate or silent. So yeah, you can choose that setting as well, which is useful. Essentially, you can choose what you want to do for those second and third options. So now let me show you this working. And just like that, I'm now getting a call, and as you can see, my flashlight is flashing, and I could then go and answer it and do whatever I want with it. It will also apply for other notifications as well. So if you found this guide useful, please leave a like.